Hello Bladers! Owning a vehicle is a huge responsibility, from avoiding accidents to following traffic signs. Another responsibility that is often neglected, mostly set aside, is to help protect the environment. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Part of our government's action plan this year is to focus on projects that rehabilitate polluted areas in the country, like the recent revamp of Boracay and the ongoing cleaning project of Palawan. The Department of Environment and Natural Resources recently took the lead in initiating the cleaning of Manila Bay area with thousands of volunteers. It also recently stormed the social media cloud with positive reviews. However, that is only addressing one part of a bigger pollution problem we have in the country. The government was urged by experts to address the country's problem with air quality recently, last July 2018. The World Health Organization placed our country as the third with the highest number of deaths due to air pollution, which is pretty much alarming. This stems back to the year 2016, when DENR discovered that the top contributor to air pollution are vehicles, and strikingly about 90% of it comes from Metro Manila. With the given facts in mind, we, as vehicle owners, must help protect our environment even in our own simple ways. There are actually a lot of ways to help without switching to hybrid cars, which fetch a hefty price. Number 1. Dispose your used fluids properly. Do you change your own oil, or do you go to automotive shops to have it changed? What do you do with it after you get it changed? We all know that oil is a hazardous substance and that we shouldn't just leave it lying around after usage. Properly dispose used oils and even other automotive fluids. Number 2, your partner also needs a little rest. Vehicles also needs a little time to rest. Go take a walk every now and then, instead of bringing your car when you simply plan to go to the convenience store near you, or if your destination is just a block away. You can also hitch a ride with your friend when going on a trip, which may help in reducing pollution and save gas. Number 3, give your car a little shower. Always wash your car mindfully. Avoid wasting water when washing your car. Regulate the water you need by using a bucket instead of a hose. If you have time to spare, why not clean it yourself? This way, you save on gas, money, and even reduce air pollution. Number 4, stop idling. Unnecessary idling of cars, trucks, and school buses pollutes the air, wastes fuel, and causes excess engine wear. Modern vehicles do not require warming up in cold weather, so there is no need to turn on the engine until you are ready to drive. Doing these things may seem like it makes a small difference. Given the hundreds of thousands of vehicles in our country, with every car owner's effort combined, it can start and spark a change, not just in our country's air pollution problem, but with our planet's current situation. Do you agree with our tips? Or did we miss some ways to help protect Mother Nature? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.